Okay, a second video of the Bally spaceship with the lights in the shop dim. You can see the lights on the fin, all lit. Nice pattern on the tail. We move into the dash. That engine turned aluminum dash is lit by Honeywell Jewel lights, warp speed light flashing. The lighted button on the pistol grip operates the guns. Again, gun sounds on the dash. Fan in the center is blowing air. I feel that real well. And then we go around front, and the Studebaker nose is backlit. Very cool.